We are revolutionizing how we build edtech.
And me and Gitesh have actually worked with real clients who paid us real money.
My company is called 3/5, and the mission is to reduce fast fashion waste.
My company is Barry, these AI-powered talking stuffed animals for teenagers and their mental health.
We're in middle school, and part of our curriculum is learning how to use all these tools. We use a device to measure blood oxygen in our brain to track our calm and focus.
I got to rebuild $100 million worth of software in 50 hours.
We just recently closed a $10,000 contract with 2 successful entrepreneurs simply because we knew how to use OpenClaw and they didn't.
I'm the creator of 355 the Musical. It's a show that's entirely written and performed by Gen Z.